Hi there, welcome to another help video. In this video, we will be going over the notifications and contact page information sections under the settings tab. Let's begin. Let's start with notifications. At the top here, there's a default notification email. This is the email address for all notifications. Thus, all notifications will be sent to this email address unless otherwise specified below. If you want notifications from other sections of your websites to go to different email addresses, do so by filling out the fields below with a specific email address. Note that if you want to add multiple email addresses, separate the email addresses with a comma. Then click the Save Changes button. Next, let's go to the contact page information. Here is where you can fill out all of your business information for your website. So I'm going to go over to our website and go to our contact page to show you what this looks like. So as you can see, all the general information is listed above. We recommend filling out as many of these fields as possible. Here is where you can add new contacts. So you can enter name, their position, whether or not they are a personality. If not, just leave it blank, this is optional, and then their email. Then click the Add Contact button. You can also delete and rearrange the order here. If someone wants to contact an individual from your business, they can do so by going to the contact page, going to the Contact Us section, and then clicking in the drop-down menu where all the names and their titles will be listed. And finally is the social site links. Here is where you can link all your social media. And for every platform that you upload, when you go to your website, an icon for that specific platform will be listed above. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to visit our help center or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos and we'll see you next time.